It's easy to love winter if you try. But it's even easier to hate it, especially when you're dealing with health issues. The season's cold, dry weather can exacerbate everything from asthma to your chances of getting struck with the flu. Sure, you could escape to a hot and sunny destination when winter hits, but your best defense is knowing how to protect yourself when the temperatures plummet. Here are 7 common winter health issues and how to combat them. The flu. Everyone knows that winter is flu season, but exactly why this virus tends to hit harder from November to March is often debated. Although some attribute the spread of the flu to lifestyle factors, like spending more time indoors and a lack of vitamin D, studies have shown that the virus is more stable when the air is cold and dry. Dry skin. For some, dry skin is nothing a little moisturizer can't fix. For others, however, it can lead to serious cracks that are not only painful, but can even lead to infection if they're not properly cared for. Our hands are often hit the hardest because we use them so often. They're also most likely to be exposed to water and cold weather. When washing your hands, use a mild or moisturizing hand soap before drying them thoroughly. Painful joints. According to the Arthritis Foundation, changes in temperature and barometric pressure can trigger joint pain, though researchers aren't entirely sure why. What we do know, however, are ways to manage the pain when it hits. Dressing warmly during winter is extremely important if you suffer from joint pain. Cold sores. According to the Mayo Clinic, cold sores are caused by various strains of the herpes simplex virus. Most people know that once you're infected with the virus, it never fully goes away, lying dormant in the nerve cells of your skin. Recurrence can happen anytime your immune system is compromised, but they're more likely to crop up in the winter. Asthma. Cold, dry air can trigger asthma attacks, which is why winter can be a brutal time if you have difficulty breathing. The dry, windy weather that many parts of the country experience in the winter can also stir up mold and pollen, which makes asthma sufferers even more prone to attacks. But staying indoors all winter isn't good for anyone, and could even lead to other health issues. Heart attacks. When your body is suddenly exposed to cold temperatures, your blood vessels constrict, which is why cardiologist Randall Zussman warns against stepping outside half-dressed for winter. He also advises dressing in layers, so that it's easy to remove articles of clothing if you get too warm. Seasonal affective disorder. Everyone feels a little sluggish when winter hits, but if you're feeling moody and completely zapped of energy, it might be more than just the winter blues. Although it's tough to pinpoint the exact cause, many health care providers believe it has something to do with the amount of sunlight we receive in the wintertime.